so special. We're just hiking up a section of the road in Samara, and we came across elephants in the valley below. They're well camouflaged, not that easy to see. They're there and you can hear them break twigs and they're very well camouflaged, so you can see them with a naked eye, but the phone won't pick it up so well. Who gets to us first? Okay, vehicle's close enough.
I'm getting on the vehicle.
Thank you for everyone's patience.
Thank you for keeping us safe from elephants.
No problem. Okay. The rest of them are not coming. The worst thing you can do is race away because they chase you.